50 seconds, we lose 3 million Turkish lira for our salary. We lose our bonus 30,000 Turkish lira. We lose 2 points. We are 14th position. And now they start like this. Here, they start to have afraid. We go Göztepe. If you, for example, losing Göztepe, what happened? Why you don't speak? Tell me why you don't speak. Why? You see these people behind you, guys. You see, look the people behind you, please. You know how much they have salary, these people? Huh? 1,500, 2,000 Turkish lira. They wait bonus like a crazy. Like a crazy! And during 50 seconds, you destroyed everything. Why? I prepare everything this week. Everything. I tell you, 6 moments.